Hello and welcome to a new video. You join me here at Longridge, a small Lancashire town just outside Preston, where we're going to have a look at the site of the former railway station. We're currently just looking at an area that was once covered by a load of sidings that you can see on this map. Just to the south of the road was the station. The Preston and Longridge Railway initially opened in 1840, with gravity taking stone-filled trucks down to Preston and horsepower bringing them back to Longridge. By 1848, passenger services had been introduced, with the Townley Arms Hotel being used as the first booking office for the station, with the station building that you can see behind the hotel being built in 1872. The single platform terminus would remain open until 1930, with goods traffic surviving until 1967, when the line beyond Red Scar Works in Preston was closed. A restoration of the building was complete by 2010, when it was turned into a cafe, heritage centre and headquarters for the Longridge Town Council. Here you can see it today, looking towards the platform, with the track bed being roughly in the centre of this view now. Although initially built as a mineral line, the Longridge branch could have been part of an ambitious plan to link Fleetwood with towns in West Yorkshire. Unfortunately, this did not come to anything. However, the line would pass into the ownership of the Lancashire and Yorkshire Railway, the London and North Western Railway and the LMS. Unfortunately, at the time of my visit, the Heritage Centre was closed for the day. However, a visit into the cafe is recommended to have a look at the array of railwayana that they have on display. There is also a number of information boards in the cafe which are well worth a look as well. I'll put these on the screen now. You can pause the video and have a read through if you want to. And that concludes our look at the former Longridge station near Preston. After being shut for 90 years, the station is once again at the centre of life in this small Lancashire town. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel for similar content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.